Hello everyone and welcome to the Coding Interview series. In this video, we are going to solve a classic algorithmic problem, converting a sorted array into a height-balanced binary search tree. This is a very common question in technical interviews. Before we dive in, let's quickly review our goal. A binary search tree is a structure where every node's left child is smaller than itself and the right child is larger. We also need it to be balanced, meaning the height difference between the left and right subtrees is never more than 1. This balance is crucial for keeping our search operations fast. Here is our input, a simple array of integers sorted in ascending order. Our goal is to transform this linear list into a hierarchical tree structure that satisfies the balanced binary search tree properties. We need to do this efficiently without rearranging the numbers in a way that breaks the search property. So, how do we approach this? The fact that the array is sorted is our biggest clue. A sorted array basically represents an in-order traversal of a binary search tree. To maintain balance, we need to pick a root node that divides the remaining elements roughly in half. The best candidate for this is always the middle element. Let's visualize this with an example. Here we have 5 numbers. To balance the tree, we pick the middle element, which is 0, to be our root. By picking the exact center, we ensure that the number of elements on the left side is roughly equal to the number of elements on the right side. Once 0 is chosen as the root, the problem splits into 2 smaller, identical problems. The elements to the left of 0, -10 and -3, will form the left subtree. The elements to the right, 5 and 9, will form the right subtree. We can solve these subproblems using recursion. Let's follow the recursion. For the left side, we look at -10 and -3. The middle of that range is -3, so it becomes the left child of 0. Similarly, on the right side, 9 becomes the right child. We keep doing this until we run out of elements. Here is how the logic looks in code. We define a function that takes the array and the left and right boundaries. We calculate the middle index, create a tree node with that value, and then recursively call the same function for the left and right halves. If the boundaries cross, we return null, which is our base case. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is big O of n because we visit each number exactly once to create a node. The space complexity is big O of log n, which represents the height of the tree. This space is used by the system's recursion stack. To wrap up, we utilize the sorted nature of the array to build a balanced tree. By consistently choosing the middle element as the root and applying recursion, we achieved an efficient linear time solution. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.